welcome back to Aviation World. Today it's a special video because it's a different topic. So today's video is about Thomas and Friends, or Thomas the Tank Engine. So we're reviewing not one but two engines. So here we go. So first we have Lexi right there, and here we have custom James in the mess. So let's start this Lexi first and custom James in the mess. So this is by Trackmaster, not the Fisher Price toys, because you know I was born in 2015. Now, this is a special video, as I told you, I think. So, yeah, because this is my first crane video on channel, and like I told you, hope you don't mind, because this is a very special video. And also, when I get to 100 subscribers, I will do a Q&A. Now we'll be reviewing Lexi's tender. So first we have these buffers, and also, sorry, I forgot to tell you that please don't mind the video, because I mostly talk about aviation stuff, so please don't mind it. So here we have the buffers, and here we have the hook to connect to engines. Then we have these wheels, and then so we have this weird thing. I don't know what that's for. So then we have a ladder here, which I guess is to climb on top to fix. So now we have this. Now we have one part of the tank which is right here, and it's painted in light turquoise with I don't know what that is called. Please leave in it what it called in the comments. So same again, and then just we have two little notches right there, and then we have those rusty purple paint. It's dark purple, yeah, and then that's Lexi's tender.
We're unusual, we're unique.
In other words, she's saying that we're freaks.
Out by gates.
We're experiments gone bad.
In other words, whoever designed us must be...
Now let's talk about her personality. So her personality is very eager and excitement. So yeah, she's quite of a peppy engine. And Leo is not really peppy. And no, sorry, I mean Theo is not really peppy along with Lexi. So they're partners. Now we'll be reviewing James. So here's his tender, and also this is a custom James from episode 1, James in the Mess. So yeah, this was inspired by TF47, and shoutouts for him. And so I added a little bit extra detail because it was very fun. I added some milk and some oil and some tar around it. So first we have the number 5 on his red tender like usual on all Trackmaster James or Tony James. And then we have the paint stains which are here. So that's the black, so that's the milk. As you can see, that's some oil, and there, and that's more oil, and we've got a little bit some milk there, and some tar. And some tar covering half of the number 5. And we've got the coupling to connect them to engines or connecting to James. So now I'm reviewing James himself. So this is the messiest one of all the customs Thomas I have made. So here we have a little bit of tar mixed with milk. Then we have tar mixed oil mixed with a little bit of milk, some tar there, some oil there, some milk, some tar mixed with milk, some little milk over there, and his face is a little covered with tar, milk, and also oil. Then on the other side, on the back, we have a lot of oil on the back. Then we have the dome right there, and then we have some tar there and some milk mixed in with tar, some other tar, more tar, and a little bit of milk there. I don't know if you can see it. I guess no. Now we'll talk about what happened in the movie about him in Journey Beyond Soldier and his personality. So his personality is a bit peckish, I would say, and a little bit rude. He likes to make fun of other engines, and he likes showing off. So now let's talk about what happened in his appearance in Journey Beyond Soldier. So basically, like Thomas got lost in the steelworks, and Hurricane and Frankie managed to force him to do some jobs because they're a bit of a baddie and also a goodie.
Oh, no, you don't! What? Go, James, go!
So James went to look out to find Thomas, and he found where Thomas had exactly been to, and he entered the steelworks, and he was giving jobs like Frankie and Hurricane to. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And give me more comments, please, guys. Please give it a heart. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.